Have you ever looked at a brand's logo and thought, wow, that's iconic? But did you know that not all logos are the same? In fact, there are 6 major types of logos, and understanding them can take your design skills to the next level. Whether you're just starting out as a graphic designer or looking to refine your skills, this video is for you. Stick around, because by the end of this, you'll not only know the different types of logos, but also when and why to use each one. Let's dive in. First up, we have Wordmark Logos, also known as logotypes. These are text-based logos that focus entirely on the brand's name. Think of Google, Coca-Cola, or Disney. The key to a great wordmark is typography. The right font, spacing, and styling can make a name unforgettable. Wordmarks work best for brands with distinct names that stand out on their own. If you're designing for a brand with a short, catchy name, a wordmark could be the way to go. Next, we have lettermarks, also called monograms. These are logos made up of initials instead of full names. Think IBM, HBO, or NASA. Lettermarks are perfect for brands with long names that need a simpler, cleaner look. The secret to a strong lettermark? A bold, readable font that ensures those initials stick in people's minds. Now, let's talk about symbol logos, also known as pictorial marks. These are graphic-based logos with no text at all. The best examples? Apple, Twitter, and Target. Symbol logos are great for global recognition. They work across different languages and cultures, but they require strong branding because, without the company name, people need to instantly associate the icon with the brand. Up next, Mascot Logos. These feature illustrated characters that represent the brand. Think of KFC's Colonel Sanders, Pringles' Mr. P, or the Michelin Man. Mascot logos create a fun, friendly, and approachable brand identity. They work great for brands targeting families, kids, or sports teams because they bring personality and engagement to the logo. Now here's where things get interesting. Combination marks. These are a mix of text and symbols in one logo. Think Burger King, Doritos, or Lacoste. Combination marks are super versatile because they can be used as a full logo or separated into just the text or icon. If you're designing a logo that needs both brand recognition and flexibility, this is a solid choice. Last but not least, we have Emblem Logos. These logos have the text inside a symbol or badge. Think Harley-Davidson, Starbucks, or the NFL logo. Emblems give a classic official feel and are often used by schools, government agencies, and luxury brands. But here's a tip. Make sure they're not too detailed so they stay readable in smaller sizes. And there you have it, the 6 main types of logos. From clean word marks to playful mascots, each logo type serves a different purpose. So, the next time you design a logo, ask yourself, what's the brand's message, and which logo type will best communicate that? Now, I want to hear from you. Which type of logo is your favorite? Drop a comment below. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more design tips, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.